2001 Plymouth Prowler here at Unique Specialty and Classics. One owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, just a little over 7,000 miles is all. That's right, a little over 7,000 is all. Texas vehicle the majority of its life. Now, so you're aware, it will come with the front bumpers also, as you can see in the background. We'll get to that in just a bit. Some people's preference is to have them taken off, so we're going to leave that up to the next owner to decide whether he wants them on or not. 3.5 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. And you can also see chrome grille has been added. Mulholland Blue. This is actually one of 1,281. Made in that color in 2001. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome wheels, disc brakes, all four corners. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches over on this side. Dark charcoal interior. Black cloth convertible top. And I will show you how that folds up out of the storage area back here. You can see aftermarket stereo system has been installed. Definitely fun cars to drive, kind of like a modern day street rod. Produced by Plymouth back in the late 90s and early 2000s. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Here's the items that will go along with it. That original grille, and like I said, the bumpers. Looks like there's visors, a few miscellaneous pieces, and those will be in the still pictures too if you want to take a peek at that. If you like Prowlers, maybe Mopars, maybe just hot rods in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done right off our showroom floor, or of course online. Stick around at the very end. Jason's going to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Checked out very well in there. Service department, the one thing that was noted is it does have new tire pressure monitoring sensors, but the low tire light was on. Just letting you know that. As far as seating areas, very nice shape, what you'd expect with a low mile vehicle. The kind of dark charcoal, dark gray leather. Steering wheel controls for cruise. Of course, your modern amenities, windows, locks, mirrors, all power. Column mounted tack. That is factory. Okay, so exact miles. Close the door so we can see those. There it is, 7,422. Alpine stereo system. And obviously that is working. Voltmeter, oil pressure, fuel gauge, temp. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. And that tire, I mentioned low tire, but sensors have been replaced. Top of the dash looking good. Got the hood popped. Rumble coming out of that 3.5 liter. And also to get to the convertible top, there'll be a button right underneath there. Then you can lift it up. You can actually see the cargo area back here, a little bit of one, then the top folds out of there. And excuse me, I mentioned it was a black top earlier, cloth. It is actually dark blue. And again, I'm going to show you how that works and fold it up. But first, let's take a peek at this engine bay. See how that looks? and we'll check out that convertible top. There's a peek at the underside of the hood. Of course, battery located up here for your weight distribution of the car. You can see the coilovers up front also. Quite the suspension setup on these. There it is. 3.5 liter, plenty of power for a car this light. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let me get the tripod set up here. I'll show you how easy this top folds up. Take a look at the condition of that. And we'll wrap up this walk around video and Jason will take it for a drive.
Yeah, there's 3
Jason getting anxious about taking this one off for a drive. And convertible top up. As you can see, pretty simple to do, and obviously you're just reversing the steps to fold it back in the storage area. So blue fabric, side windows rolled up, nice fit, latch down up front, nice tight fit above the windshield, and of course then you push these down and they latch down below. Those are locked in. Glass rear window with electric defog. Passenger side glass up fits nice. And then to release that top, there's actually a handle over on this side right out there, and by pulling that will pop these back ones loose, and then you unlatch the front, pop that tonneau cover open, fold it back up. As easy as that. 2001 Plymouth Prowler, one owner vehicle, low mile, clean Carfax. Stick around, Jason's taking for a drive. He's ready to go. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 2001 Plymouth Prowler. Now these are convertibles and we do have the top down today. This is an automatic, so it's easy to drive. Shifter right between the seats. Our turn signal indicator is working. Very fun to drive cars with a low center of gravity. They feel pretty lightweight and nimble. We have a tachometer from Autometer added to the column. The volts are charging at 13.5 on the gauge. The oil pressure halfway up from low to high. We're doing 50 miles an hour on the speedometer. Fuel gauge shows 1/4 of a tank and the temperature is a little under half. If you're getting some wind noise, that's just the nature of driving without a top. Beautiful sunny day to drive topless in Minnesota. Touchscreen stereo from Alpine working as it should. Below that, the HVAC dials also working. Cruise control works as it should on this car. The wipers work. The top is manual and easy to put up and down. It is fun to watch the mini fenders, I guess you'd call them, on the front wheels turn with the steering. Brakes nice and smooth, corners easily and flat. It really feels like it performs well. The kickdown working on the automatic transmission, and a nice little rumble coming from this car. Check out all the pictures of this Prowler at uniqueclassiccars.com.